Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. I will help you practice short questions and answers in English. Question, what is your name? Answer, my name is John. Question, what is your father's name? Answer, my father's name is Henry. Question, what is your mother's name? Answer, my mother's name is Dina. Question, what is your sister's name? Answer, my sister's name is Mary. Question, what is your brother's name? Answer, my brother's name is Felix. Question, what is your grandpa's name? Answer, my grandpa's name is Andrew. Question, what is your grandma's name? Answer, my grandma's name is Medina. Question, what is your English teacher's name? Answer, my English teacher's name is Sam. Question, what is your best friend's name? Answer, my best friend's name is Alexander. Question, what is the name of your city? Answer, the name of my city is Beijing. Question, what is the name of your country? Answer, the name of my country is China. Question, what is the name of your continent? Answer, the name of my continent is Asia. Question, what is your favorite food? Answer, my favorite food is sushi. Question, what is your favorite fruit? Answer, my favorite fruit is apple. Question, what is your favorite weather? Answer, my favorite weather is sunshine. Question, what is your favorite season? Answer, my favorite season is summer. Question, what is your favorite color? Answer, my favorite color is pink. Question, what is your favorite movie? Answer, my favorite movie is comedy. Question, what is your favorite subject? Answer, my favorite subject is English. Question, what is your favorite pet? Answer, my favorite pet is a dog. Question, what is your favorite car? Answer, my favorite car is Toyota. Question, what class are you? Answer, I'm in class 5. Question, what do you like about your best friend? Answer, my best friend has a good sense of humor. Question, what do you like about your brother? Answer, my brother is a very kind person. Question, what do you like about your school? Answer, my school has the best library in my country. Question, what do you like about your city? Answer, my city has the best road network. Question, what did you do today? Answer, I went to school today. Question, what did you do yesterday? Answer, I did my house chores yesterday. Question, what are you going to do today? Answer, I'm going to visit my grandparents today. Question, what are your favorite subjects? Answer, my favorite subjects are English, math, and geography. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember that practice makes perfect.